Hey family, welcome back. Today I am bringing you the Dollar General haul. Actually, this is a deal you can do now, but also it is a 5 off of 25 and a 5 off of 15. Okay, so today in our apps, we got a 5 off of 25 that you can do Monday through, I think it's Friday. And then also, we've been having that Colgate brand of the 5 off of 25, 5 off of 15, I'm sorry. 5 off of 15 Colgate brands, okay? So, I went in the store, y'all, they didn't have no baskets. People have been stealing the baskets. So, they are not probably going to be ordering any baskets because the girl said that the baskets are like $100 and something for one. So $100 and something for one. So the girl was like, I don't even think they're even going to get any more baskets. If they do, it'll be on down the line. And I'm like, oh my God. So I had to walk around, y'all, with this stuff in my arms. And then, only got 2 arms, 2 hands. That's it. I was going to go and find me like a little basket I can just pull around, but I didn't feel like it, y'all, because it is so hot outside. It is like 95 degrees, okay? 95 degrees. And see, I wasn't going to go anywhere today, but when I got that 5 off of 25 on my app, I was like, okay, I'm going to go ahead and put something together because I work from home. So I'm like in the house all day doing my 9 to 5. But I was like, okay, so I can go outside, get a little bit of hotness. But when I got to the store, honey, it made it more. I was more tired than what I was. So I was like, I scanned everything. Everything that I have right here it scanned. All the digits came off that was in my, when I scanned it. So I should have came out of pocket $10.50. I don't know what happened, but it did not take off my 5 off of 25. I don't know why, because it did attach while it was in my cart, but it didn't come off at the register. So let's go ahead and get to this video so I can tell you what I got. Okay, so the first thing I got was the Ajax. I'm going to move this out of the way and move this out of the way. So I'm going to do the 5 off of 15. Then I'm going to bring in my, to make it 5 off of 25. So the 5 off of 15, I got the Ajax. The Ajax, let's see. This Ajax was $4. There was a $1 off digital coupon. Okay. Then I got the big Ajax, which was $6. And there is I think it's either $2 or $1 cash back. And I clipped that. So I don't know if I got that or not, y'all, because I was so tired. I didn't even look at it to see. So I have that. Then I actually got the 2 soft soaps. They are $5.50 a piece, or 2 for $11. Okay, so $11 rung up. I took the 4 off of 2, which is a digital. Okay, so the 5 off of 15, that did come off because it attached to the items. So I know that 5 off of 15 came off. So then I needed some CLR. I have been needing CLR, y'all, because I don't play about my tubs, my sinks, nothing like that, because I like to get that together, okay? My husband, he works outside, so that makes it a little bit more, you got to have it, because, honey, my house got to be clean, okay? So this is $3.50. There is a 25 cents cash back that did attach. Then, so I said I needed, after I rung these 5 items, I needed was some change to make it $25 and over. So I just went ahead and picked up a $1 M&Ms, and I love peanut M&Ms. I did have something else in my cart, but I I was like, they didn't have it. They didn't have the toothbrushes. They didn't have the Febreze warmer. Honey, y'all, they didn't hardly have anything that I was looking for. Okay, so that's why I had to piece these together. So after all of this was totaled up, the subtotal was $25.50. So the $5 for the 5015 came off. And I was looking, and so it left me with $15.50. But I should have added in, I think I should have added in $5 more to make it so it could have been 10. But when I rung it up in my app, it came out right. So I don't know what happened. I don't know if I'm missing something, y'all, because like I said, dealing with that in the store, no baskets and all that. So I don't know if I miscalculated or what. Somebody in my comments, come on in my comments to let me know. Hey, Miss Nanda, yeah, you should have added $5 more to this or whatever. But right now, my whole mind is totally gone. So my subtotal that I paid out of pocket was $15.50, which was okay with me. I'm fine with that because this is a lot. This right here is $6. So, you know, I'm like, and then I needed the CLR. So I'm good with paying this amount. Now, if it was more than that, I would have told her, just, you know, I don't want it. You know what I'm saying? I don't want it. But this right here was okay with me. Okay, I'm fine with that. The amount that I paid, the $15.50. So I'm going to get back $2. I think it's $2 for this and 25 cents for that on my cash back. So let me show you my receipt. There it is right there. Oh, sure. There it is. There's everything right there. All right. And then I got a 5 off of 25 for Saturday. And then Monday through Friday only is the 5 off of 25. And this is for next week, y'all. So next week, we're going to be getting another 5 off of 25 Monday through Friday. I hope we are getting some good stuff. I hope so. Hope some good coupons or whatever. So next week is another 5 off of 25 for that. So this right here is my Dollar General haul. If you would just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.